Hello, my name is Kasha Samal and I'm the American Indian Resource Center librarian for LA County Library. Thank you for joining us for the fourth and final installment of our Native American Heritage Month book talks. These book talks highlight resources that have Native Americans as their focus. You can access these materials with your LA County Library card through our website, lacountylibrary.org, or by visiting the American Indian Resource Center located in Huntington Park Library. Today we're sharing tawâw, Progressive Indigenous Cuisine, a cookbook by Shane Chartrand with Jennifer Cockrell King. This book is recommended for adults. Shane Chartrand is a world-renowned chef and is Plains Cree from the Enoch Nation. He is an executive chef at the Golden Compass and at tawâw, a new restaurant slotted to open in 2022 at Northern Alberta Institute of Technology. Known for his blend of indigenous ingredients and flavors with European and Asian cooking techniques, Chartrand has competed on Food Network's Iron Chef Canada and Chopped Canada. This book reads like a personal narrative. You'll learn how Chartrand's experience of being adopted by a Métis father and a Mi'kmaq Irish mother helped to shape the early foundations of his understanding on local source foods. He shares his culinary journey, starting with his first job at a truck stop to being an executive chef. There are many pictures with beautifully arranged dishes and drinks, and what's lovely are the personal accounts of what it means to be Indigenous. This includes stories about his tattoos, his diabetes, and powwows. Chartrand wrote that this book's larger mission is to embrace a massive, positive message about Indigenous cultures, and if you aren't from the Indigenous world or the culinary world, this book is still very much for you. He wants everyone to be able to experience the beauty of the land and people around us, and the food that we can create with it. Dream with me, he says. I think he manages to get the reader to dream with him and see all the scrumptious dishes they can create by learning more about Indigenous cultures. For thought-provoking accounts of progressive Indigenous cooking with delicious recipes, request tawâw from your local library. Thanks for joining us for the fourth and final week of our Native American Heritage Month book talks.